In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Monday Doc template efficiently in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Monday.com or simply looking to streamline your workflow, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. First, you'll want to head over to Monday.com. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Monday.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on that button to start the login process. Here's a quick tip. If you're a frequent user, you might want to bookmark this page for easier future access. Now, after clicking login, you'll see several options to enter your credentials. For the quickest entry, select the option to log in with your Google account. Click on Google and choose the account you wish to use with your Monday.com setup. If this is your first time logging in this way, you may need to grant some permissions. With that step complete, navigate to your board. Your board is essentially the workplace where all your tasks and projects are organized, a hub of activity that you'll become quite familiar with. On this board, locate the table section. Here, you will find a plus icon, which is your tool to customize the contents of your board. Clicking this icon allows you to add a new column, providing an extension to your board's capabilities. When the option appears, you're going to want to click on More Columns. A search box will pop up, giving you a plethora of options to choose from. Here's a useful tip. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, using the search function can save a lot of time. In this box, you'll want to type the word Docs into the search field. This is a specific feature that Monday.com offers, which integrates seamlessly into your board. Once you've typed Docs, you're looking for the option labeled Monday Doc. Click on it to add it as a column to your board. This is a powerful tool for documentation right on your board, enabling you to keep everything in one organized space. Lastly, once you've added the Monday Doc to your board, navigate over to the KPI board, Test User 3. This area is crucial for tracking performance indicators and ensuring that you're meeting your targets. It can serve as a practical demonstration of how your new document integrates with other aspects of your project management process. And there you have it, a fully set up Monday Doc template on your board. With these steps, you can now enjoy enhanced organization within your projects. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.